Hello and welcome to Home Capital's series on home ownership. Buying your first home can be a daunting task, and in this series, we simplify the entire process from the various factors that you should keep in mind before you decide to buy a house, the process that you can expect when you are buying a house, and finally, the various responsibilities that you will have as a homeowner. In today's episode, we will be talking about the benefits of buying a house early. We'll talk about what exactly is early age investing, the financial benefits of buying a home early, how it improves your risk taking capacity, and gives you an option to consider early retirement in your financial career. Let's first understand what exactly is early age investing. Early age investing is when you decide to buy a house in your early 20s. By buying a house in your early 20s, you're giving yourself enough time to be able to repay off the loan much earlier than you reaching your retirement age of 60. Also, buying a house early gives you that much extra time for the value of your house to grow over time and also increase your net worth. Some of the benefits associated with buying a house early is you get away with the rent expense that you incur early in your career. Instead of spending the early 5 to 10 years living on rent and then thinking of buying a house, by buying a house early, you get rid of the rent expense early in your career and use that money towards the EMI repayment of your house loan. This not only ensures that you get rid of the loan earlier than you would otherwise, but also start saving and investing money towards your other life goals. And when you buy a house when you're as early as 25 years, it gives you that much time because you're owning the house for a longer period of time. The value of the house increases over time and that adds to your financial net worth. As we had discussed in the first episode of this series, there are innumerable benefits of buying a house which allows you to get stability in your career really early. It becomes a permanent address for you. It becomes a permanent address for your next generation, and it gives that stability to you which allows you to take risks in other matters of your life. Right? It gives a much better opportunity to your next generation because they are not worried about having to move every 2 to 3 years, and they get a good base for themselves apart from you getting a base for yourself as a couple. Also, living in your own house gives you that sense of security, and comfort that you are living in a house that is yours. You don't have it hanging on your head that you need to look for the next best place to rent if at all the landlord wants the house back from you at the end of a particular renting term. Apart from just the security and comfort to which you cannot attach any value, there are a lot of financial benefits associated with buying a house early. Take you through a timeline. If you were to buy a house at the age of 25, your EMIs would be 40 or 50% of your income. By the time you reach the age of 40, the EMI, which is generally constant or fixed over the 25-year term of the loan, your EMIs would reduce to 17% of your income. And by the time you're 50, your EMIs constitute just 4% of your income. For this, we've assumed that every year your income increases by 10%. So overall, your inflows are going up, but your outflows in terms of the EMIs that you pay towards your home loan remain fixed. And as a result of this, the EMIs as a percentage of your income reduces drastically. So what happens is, what may appear to be a little pinch today in terms of EMIs as a percentage of your income, some years down the line, it is a breeze. It's extremely easy for you to meet these EMI payments. In addition to the fact that the EMIs are a small percentage of your income over time, a big advantage is by the time you are 50, your home loan is cleared off. You start the loan at the age of 25, you take a 25-year tenure loan, and by the time you're 50, your home loan is cleared off, and then you have the 10 years or 15 years to think about and invest for any other major requirements by the time you're 65 when you plan to retire. With your home loan cleared off by the age of 50, you have those additional 10 to 15 years when you don't have any fixed liability in the form of either a rent for a house or a home loan EMI to clear, and that gives you a major time where you can think of accumulating a corpus for your retirement, post-retirement phase, or even think of retiring early because you don't have the home loan hanging on your head. By buying a house at your age of 25, not only do you benefit from a fall in the EMI as a percentage of your income, you also benefit from a huge improvement in your net worth. Generally, it is expected that real estate appreciates at a rate of 6% per annum. So at the age of 25, when you buy the house, by the time you're 50, the value of the house would have grown tremendously, even when it grows at a very stable rate of 6% per annum. So not only have you improved your monthly budget because the EMI as a percentage of your income has reduced to as little as 4%, but your net worth also has increased because the value of the house, which is yours to own today, has increased dramatically in the 25 years of tenure of repaying the home loan. The huge improvement that you see in your finances as a result of early age investing in a house has a tremendous impact on your capacity to take risk. The Home Capital community assists and guides you successfully through your journey of home ownership. Join India's first community of home buyers and homeowners and take your next step towards home ownership.